Hi, I'm Sasha and this is our Maylands III project. It's been an 18-week extension and renovation, and today we're handing over to the clients. We've gone with a more traditional style kitchen in this house with the shaker doors, but given it a contemporary edge with the contrasting island cabinetry in the charcoal with the black handles. This massive picture window will look out onto their garden, and the bifolding servery window is great for a family that loves to entertain. This house has been in the family for multiple generations, so it was really important to our clients to reuse some of the items that were sentimental to them. This pressed metal was in some of the existing rooms on the ceilings and the walls throughout, and we've managed to find the same pattern and reuse it in this beautiful hallway. This space once was the kitchen, which was only 3 meters wide. We've moved this wall right back to make it a really spacious master bedroom. We've kept the original fireplace, which once was the oven. We've done a walk-in robe and an ensuite with a double walk-in shower and this gorgeous chevron feature tile.